It is a beautiful 20 degrees out here in Minnesota. We are fired up the Blackstone. We are cooking burgers. With the new roller, I still have more to cook. Alright, so this batch is done. Now we're going to clean the grill off and do the second batch. I like to put a little oil under each one. We're gonna let those sizzle up, then we're gonna squish them. Right, so a piece of parchment paper. We're gonna push those down one at a time. I'm trying to hold the camera. I should have got my tripod. All right. Now I'm going to take some salt and pepper. All right, we're going to let that cook for a little bit. Now we're just take this regular scraper. I'm gonna get underneath there. If you want all that caramelization, or that burger, flip it over and see how crispy that is. Yeah, not your typical grilling tool, but you get right underneath that and get all that caramelization. Let that cook for a little more. 20 degrees is warm for us people in Minnesota. And my cats are outside in their catio enjoying the weather as well. All right, these are done. There we you go. Well, we got lots of burgers to eat. Thanks for watching.